Hey everyone! Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to send money to a friend quickly and easily, but all you had was your phone? Maybe you were splitting a restaurant bill, paying back a loan, or just sending a little something for their birthday. Well, in some parts of the world, there's a solution that's as smooth and efficient as a Viking longship, Vipps. But what if you're not familiar with the fjords of Norway, and Vipps isn't available in your region? Fear not, intrepid adventurer, because today we're diving into the world of Vipps alternatives, the best money transfer apps for when Vipps just won't do the trick. So, what exactly is Vipps? Imagine a mobile app that acts like a digital wallet. You can link your bank account to it, top it up with funds, and then use it to send and receive money from anyone else who has the app. It's super convenient, secure, and, most importantly, it's all done through your phone. No more scrambling for cash or waiting for bank transfers to clear. But here's the catch: Vipps is primarily used in Norway. While it has seen some limited adoption in other Nordic countries, for most of the world, it's a foreign concept. But fear not, there's a whole fleet of alternatives waiting to set sail. The good news is, the concept behind Vipps, a mobile peer-to-peer, P2P, payment app, is becoming increasingly popular worldwide. Here are some of the top contenders in the Vipps lookalike game, depending on your location. The US, if you're stateside, you've probably heard of the big players like Zelle, Venmo, and Cash App. These apps all allow you to send and receive money quickly and easily, often with just a phone number or email address. Europe, across the pond, there's a whole new set of contenders. In the UK, there's Pam and Pingit. Many European countries also use Swish, Sweden, Certo, Finland, and Mobile Pay, Denmark. These all function similarly to Vipps, allowing for instant mobile payments between individuals. Asia, the world's most populous continent, has its own set of P2P payment giants. China's WeChat Pay and Alipay dominate the market, while India has its own contenders like PhonePe and Paytm. These apps often go beyond simple money transfers, integrating features like bill payments, online shopping, and even investments. Africa, the African continent, is seeing a surge in mobile money adoption, with M-Pesa, Kenya, being a prime example. This mobile wallet system allows users to send and receive money, pay bills, and even access microloans, all through their phones. So, how do you choose the right Vipps alternative? The best app for you will depend on a few factors. Availability: make sure the app is available in your country and supported by your bank. Features: do you just need basic money transfer, or are you looking for additional features like bill pay or online shopping integrations? Fees: some apps charge fees for certain transactions, so be sure to check the fine print before you sign up. Security: look for an app with strong security measures to protect your financial information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Look for international compatibility. If you frequently send or receive money internationally, there might be apps that specialize in facilitating those transactions. Consider user reviews. Reading reviews from other users can give you valuable insights into the app's ease of use, customer service, and overall reliability. The future of mobile payments. The world of mobile payments is constantly evolving, and new players are emerging all the time. As technology advances and smartphones become even more ubiquitous, we can expect P2P payment apps to become an even more essential part of our daily lives. So, there you have it. Now you're equipped to navigate the high seas of mobile payments, even if you don't have a Viking longship or a Vipps account at your disposal. Remember, the key is to find an app that's convenient, secure, and fits your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sending and receiving.